AI will pretty much touch everything we do.
AI.
AI.
Well, AI.
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 Hey there, ever wondered how robots talk? How your phone answers your questions? Today we are going to talk about something super cool, artificial intelligence or AI, in the simplest way ever. AI simply means giving a kind of brain to a machine. Not a real brain, but one that can learn, think, and decide using the data. Imagine you have a toy robot. You press a button and it walks. But what if it could listen to you, learn what you like, and talk back? That's what AI is like. It's a smart machine that learns from lots of examples, just like we practice and learn. Now let's talk about AI tools. These are applications or websites that use AI to help us do things. For example, ChatGPT. ChatGPT talks and answers your questions. DALL-E. DALL-E draws pictures from your words. Grammarly fixes your writing. These tools are like helpers. They are trained to do one smart thing really well. That's called narrow AI because it's focused on one single task. What is an AI model? Behind every smart tool, there is something called an AI model. Think of it like a student who learned from lots of examples. For example, if you show it thousands of pictures of apples and bananas, it learns to tell them apart. So, when you give it a new picture, it can say, "It's look like a banana." That's the model doing its job. What is LLM? Now comes something called an LLM. That means large language model. It's a special type of model that's great at understanding and using words. It reads lots and lots of texts like books, stories, websites, and learns how people talk. So when you ask it something, it can write back like a human. That's how things like ChatGPT work. So what is an AI agent? And here's the coolest part, AI agent. AI agent is like a robot. It can see, think, and do things all by itself. For example, a self-driving car looks at the road, makes choices, and drives. A game bot can move, find treasures, or fight enemies. So, remember, AI tools help us with smart tasks. AI models do the learning. LLMs are the models that work with language. And AI agents do things on their own. Here, all the differentiation lies in the level of their decision making. Isn't that amazing? This is just the beginning. We are going to learn about AI from the tiniest tools to the biggest brainy systems. Hello, I am Sagar. This is my brand new channel where we make AI super easy and fun to learn. So hit the subscribe button and let's grow from zero to infinity. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.